my goal for 2022 is to be able to teach more classes. I want to be able to branch out and hopefully educate more people on water restoration in Spanish. I know it's something that's been long needed, so I'm going to make more time to be able to travel and go out and provide that education to the people who really need it.
Something that I want to focus on moving forward into next year is finding something that we can really align ourselves with. There are a lot of non-for-profits and other important things in Chicago that we donate financially to, but I would like to find something that really aligns with our values and we can contribute to, whether it's time or financially.
So we live in a labor shortage. Everyone's looking for people, so we're no different in that respect. But for me, I really am looking for that talented, smart person that is willing to join the team and move big rocks. We've got some big goals for this year, and so I'm looking for team members that are going to help me do that.
A couple top goals for 2022 for JCR is to build back up our company culture. Since many staff members have had more distance between them than usual this last year and a half. We hope to get together more, get out into the community more, and get to know each other better. We've been lucky enough to have many new staff members join us, and we can't wait to get closer as a family. Another goal is to constantly improve our communication with customers and clients and continuously work on our customer service skills. We have the most empathetic, passionate team members who work here, and it's our mission to do better every single day for those that need us.
One of my goals for 2022 is to be more patient. Patience is something that's in short supply in this world, and we can all stand to take a refresher here and there. I, in line with that, have a plan to take a conflict resolution class just to help hone in my skills, maybe sharpen them a bit, hopefully learn some new skills and go from there. Conflict resolution is something that's beneficial for all of us every day. This life is full of conflict, and how to resolve that is key.
My job as head of sales at Prism Specialties is to create an environment for our franchise members to grow through training, through national program development, through resource deployment. My goal in 2022 is that each of our franchise members allows me to be an additive force in the growth of their business. Every day that my work helps somebody else achieve success is a good day. I need a little more of that in 2022.
My top goals for 2022 are to focus on employee development and retention, and maintain high service levels while expanding to new territories.
For 2022, our top goal would be trying to land and close on more commercial projects. We do a mixture of residential and commercial restoration projects now, but we like to see ourselves really hitting a lot more on the commercial front. So trying to strengthen our relationships with property managers and make sure we're part of the right organization so they know we're here and can offer high quality services as a women and minority owned firm in the greater Chicagoland metropolitan area.
My top goal for 2022 is to implement innovative technology that will drive efficiencies when helping homeowners in our communities. Technological advances in restoration have been changing the way almost every job is completed. Matterport for improved scoping and estimating. Drones allow us to see areas previously so difficult to reach. Mobile devices make it easier to monitor psychometric readings. These technological advances will allow us to increase our pace and accuracy on jobs. Looking forward to an amazing 2022.